All right, gang, we're here to do another portrait session with the beautiful model April. We are here in South Lake Union. We've got this gorgeous background that's made of wood and a little bit of fake foliage down there. I'm gonna get a very, very tight shot of her face and her shoulders using an 85mm lens, f1.4. We're using a continuous light system made by Stella Pro, I think it is. But the point is, it throws off a lot of great soft light because of the diffuser we have. We're using Reza to actually raise the platform up a little higher. That way we get a nice catch light just from above her. We're coming from her right side, and if you notice, the face is being illuminated just perfectly. Let's see how this looks. And I'm shooting at f1.4 wide open auto ISO, and I'm getting a shutter speed about 1/400, 1/500th of a second, and auto ISO is choosing 100. So we're actually very, very good as far as the noise level. And what I love about the Sony here now is all eye autofocus. All I have to worry about is the composition, and it does everything else I need to do. Beautiful. I like it when you look up like that because it really lights up your face and the eyes. Awesome. It's amazing how a little movement from one direction makes light a little further away.
Back?
Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
There you go. The more you keep your eyes up, the more it gets the catch light in it. You get that beautiful catch light in your eye.
Okay, now we are trying out the Sigma 35 1.4 DG. This is an amazing lens because the quality of bokeh for such a small focal length is unreal. It's an art lens, so you know it's good. We are going to shoot under this light, artificial light over here. Light is shining down on her, so it's causing some very, very harsh shadows on her nose and her chin and her lower neck. But we're going to fill those shadows in with this continuous light system from Stella. So it looks like the light is actually coming from the top, but without the harsh shadows, that's going to be filled in by the Stella continuous light. I'm going to try this at different angles, from different perspectives, and hopefully it'll be great. And I can't wait to see what this lens will do. Stay tuned. Okay. Oh yeah, that's perfect. The light on you is gorgeous right now. All right, we're still gonna be using the 35-1.4. We just finished shooting over there and it was amazing. The rendering is flawless. I found this great looking staircase, and Anna's here sitting. Again, continuous light. You know, we have a little bit of ambient light already from the lights reflecting off all these windows and buildings, so it's creating some nice atmosphere. I'm just gonna add a little bit of touch with this softbox, and look how much light we're getting on her already. I'm seeing a lot of harsh shadows, Reza. Let's come at it from a little bit on my side and more direct light on her. Like so, perfect. And raise your chin up just a little bit. Yes. I'm gonna get a little close to her. That's looking really, oh yeah, perfect. Yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. Come towards me a little more. Yeah, perfect. Oh my God, the light looks so good.
Welcome back, guys. We hope you enjoyed that episode of Starving Videographer, where we took you on location to shoot some portraiture with some off-camera continuous lighting using a 32-inch double diffused beauty dish, which was this one right here, and the Stella Pro CL8000 RF. So that whole shoot was done with just this one light and this one modifier. And we were shooting with two different lens setups with the same camera body. So we were using the Sony A7R Mark IV and the 85G Master for the first set of images. And then we switched to the Sigma 35mm f1.4 Art. This right here is the acclaimed 35mm f1.2, which produces even more beautiful images. But that day we shot with the 35mm f1.4, which is a spectacular lens in its own right. So those were some of the shots. We hope you enjoyed the pictures, and you got a little bit of an idea of how we light our photos using beautiful diffused off-camera lighting from Stella Pro. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, because that really helps us to grow and create more content for you guys. And if you have any questions about anything that you saw in this episode, please don't hesitate to drop your questions and comments below, and we'll do our best to give you the advice that you're looking for. So again, on behalf of Mahesh and myself, we hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, Stella Pro Lights, for the Stella Pro 8000 that we used on location. Thank you, Sigma, for the beautiful glass. And of course, Sony Alpha for the incredible A7R4 and 85GM. We'll hope to see you in the next episode. Thanks again. Bye-bye.